Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2017 Toyota Sienna LE. Now the most notable features on this LE is its power sliding rear doors, you have your heated front seats, and your backup camera. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle, just to get you better familiar with this 2017 Toyota Sienna LE. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. You also have, if we take a closer look just over on the side, your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors, and taking a look just at the second row, as you can see you have your captain's seats, and you also have the sunshade visors just located in your third and second row windows. So if you want, you can block out some of that sun just when you're going on those trips. And then the close button will just be located on the inside here. Now, parents, if you're worried about your kids or possibly yourself getting your arm or hand jammed to the door, you don't have to worry about that. It does offer you the jam protection feature. So when the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. Now, all you have to do is pull on the handle on the outside once more and it will close for you. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is gray. Now, taking a closer look at the front dash as well as the front seats, as you can see you have your gray interior with your power driver seat with lumbar support. Over on the left hand side you have your traction control on and off, and then on the inside of the driver's side door you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display with your cruise control. And taking a look just at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we take a closer look, just as you can see, if you hit the display button on your steering wheel, you'll find your distance to empty with your average fuel economy, ECT power, and a couple of other additional features which include an exterior temperature gauge. Taking a look at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you have a couple of different features on here. So inside the apps menu, you have your audio phone messages as well as a couple of other additional features. Down below you do have your temperature control settings for the dual zone climate control with your rear temperature controls just located down below here. USB and auxiliary input with your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, your two power outlets. And if you take a look at the top here, you have your auto dimming rearview mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass, and then you'll find the open and close for the power sliding rear doors. Taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, located just on the back, as you can see, you have your backup camera and your rear hatch release located just underneath your Sienna emblem. Closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for your rear seats, so if in the event that you do need the additional space, it's available to you. So if you have the seats folded down into the floor, you have plenty of space up top there for additional cargo. But if you are in need of additional passengers in the third row, you still have plenty of cargo space located down below here and on your left-hand side as well. Now, over on the right, you're going to find that power outlet. So if you do need to plug in your digital devices, you can do so. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.